Fuel filter replacement on this Audi 1.4 TFSI. This works for all VAG cars. So first of all, we're going to locate the fuel filter. It's just by where that axle stand is there underneath. We now need to remove the Phillips screw holding the plastic bracket in place. This is pretty rusty on our one, so it took a bit of time. Be careful with the blue connector. You can get a pick in there and slowly withdraw it completely out, but just be careful you don't actually snap it. Ensure you have a bucket underneath, as fuel will spill out as soon as you remove this. Give it a little tug. I haven't got the special pliers, so I do try using 2 picks to depress inwards on here and to see if that works. Unfortunately for me, it didn't work. So you do need specialist pliers, which go in that little hole there and another little hole there. However, what you can do with normal pliers is put it on over like that and just squeeze it ever so gently on that bit and this bit, okay? And it should come undone, and then just pull it out carefully. We'll put a link in the comments for the specialist pliers, but I've managed to do it with these pliers and it was fine. So it's the right way around. The blue tab goes into this bit, then the other 2 tabs go into these bits. This is your out, so it's pointing towards the front of the car. Put the blue tab back in and then just start connecting all the connectors, and should hear an audible click on all 3. Beep. Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah. So the book Billy's very kindly advertised for me there on the video. It's called Don't Ignore That Noise. It's on basic car ownership, helps you get through MOTs, talks to you about servicing, buying and selling, etc. And there will be an affiliate link in the comments so you can purchase it. Thank you for your support. This is the sound all 3 fuel lines should make. And we're just going to put the screw into there. Yeah. This is the most important step, so please do not skip now. We're now going to prime the fuel filter. And how we're going to do that is we're going to turn the car on, but not all the way so the engine's turning, just so it's ignition. You're going to do this 5 to 10 times, and you should be able to get underneath the car and actually hear the fuel filter priming. Tip is to turn off all your air vents and your radio so you can actually hear it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.